Welcome, Ralamuela, Fitu Gofela, Magombo, Radimedisa. Welcome to the second episode of Gombo Laton podcast. As your host, let's say, Gombo Laton again, and then it's a co-host, Tiaga, Maranasi. Nasi gas will co-host, Tiaga, Nasi Gumino, Rena Muzeva, aka Mugwabe from Khelobedu Stories. We didn't escape Agamada Regrena. I introduce a sister.
Hi.
Obean.
Ronald.
Hi, sharp. What a beautiful day.
Yeah, it is.
I'm so happy to ask again. Kibele guest also la lawyer first time.
Yeah.
So warna berzena tjabe no bala ba khaotse bana ba re go tsara botse wena go wena mane leina la ka fane le ro mele de ka ra family ya mkhudra mane childhood ya baby ya na ba ba research.
Okay, Tawela Galocha Galina Gina Lehogonolo Chweni, aka Mogwabe on the YouTube and TikTok streets. So na awusimayina ka fele daga kina lithono lokhumujo Prudence mwana wa machete and ke kwa kamu le fasi ne lazaneni mara go le de Khelobedu wa mojaji ona le bleke ngwe tasi Khelobedu kwa ba reke ya sekula amamanyo
Askula mamanyo.
yes ke boroga ke mo ke
Khelobedu dumelana ba mamanyo.
So ke bebedwe asekula ke mngane ka tsena sekolo kana ba setraela mara ka ta ka relocate ka dilo mo ba re ke bududi just outside Tsaning lona ke mo lo re ke dile most of my primary school hona then ka tsamaya ka relocate 2005 to Germiston where I studied my high school. Then I came back home late in the years, went to Mudiwat's high, so I've been rotating a lot. And then in terms of political family, like
family childhood related I will arrive so artsena ka family or family how consist of batho ba guy 1 2 3 ka mkwano.
So nako le the kara family ya batho ba 5, which is my mom and then my 3 siblings. So four of us. I'm the third born, and then but my mother died. I was 60 when she died. So I would say I come from a child-headed home because my brother had to step in. But yeah, the first girl.
Wow. After you lost your mother, yeah.
Yeah, if you can put it like that, I was. I had to make sure, the family is running, but mostly my brother again, Aloro, had to, take a lead mostly, never kitchen instructions, but yeah, the motherly role you play in a very huge way.
Kyaudusisa. So ngomboje ka from ga family na wena ukhona religion ya bulena and the location of the background ya family ya mutla mano kana tharusanya wa edalnyana re bona family background ya bulena we la balela la utswa ka di cheese le baloni wa we la balela la mozula zola la magombo la borena wa we la balefile and the religion ya bulena le lifestyle le ke phela is a whole family.
Okay, Erike Tomekai lifestyle. So as I said, my mom had a partner, a certain man of who was supposed to be a father figure. But the home setting was not nice because of the gender-based violence. Key experience.
Oh, experience.
Yeah, no, it was very severe. It was bad. It was very bad. So in the home, most of the time, the abuse. Liberating ourselves, being children have been, abused in a certain way. Our mother was a teacher, but because of that abuse, that partner of hers turned her into an ATM, meaning that she goes to work, he takes all her salary. That's when we ended up being subjected to poverty. So, Suana Shem, our poverty on a zero. Yes,
wow.
Yeah.
Perfect. Sena ulela cheese.
Though the situation, my mom being a teacher, I was supposed to. Yeah, but unfortunately, life happened for her, and the partner that she had was just
Then artene kamukara trabaja religion. Naga as a family, including yourself. Le religion le mugai.
Renaro was I'm a Christian, and then out of Kahaya was one of those who my life consists as church, school, church, school. I lived a very boring life. Church, school, church, school. But yeah, re batho ro le te ka ra kereke, re batho ro ba rutile thapelo. Especially our mother and our grandmother, they always made sure ba re pushetsa modimoni. So my mom always said, ke to le I'm gonna be your Moses, and which she did, of course. She had so much faith or the situations that we were experiencing. Maybe God had a plan, it was God's plan because, she tried everything to get us out of that situation, but she couldn't. On all her efforts, when you were just not working, so she ended up saying that maybe it's God's plan. We'll see where it goes. And fortunate for us, by the time that she passed, she had managed to take us out of that, the situation, the abuses and everything. Poverty or now when the breadwinner is gone. But our brother tried his level best. We never slept hungry. We never went without clothes. Azangi Rashota said, like Bitima tried his level best, to make sure that we live comfortable.
Firstborn.
Yes, firstborn. Oh. So he did more than that. Sometimes I even think that maybe if our mother was alive, we wouldn't even got some of the things that we got. He really pushed us from nothing. Actually, he nazula basically, yeah.
All right. So Arzena Travi, Arabica career yao, level betra ja background ya education yao, wabilori we primary gana wa site udu libugai. So mara shara wa fellow primary. Ufele jo fitilo kolo ga mada. So re go tsba rona bele ka traba ja education izikolo zelo rwazimisa uzini zokazozi le babe ngezifiyo dofta no bele ka mkwalo lo na re education wena mo opinion be you to CJ yeah no first time maybe to that le baba ngole ba ba bele de ba khona zara okay mutshaka go ya ga ra poverty ga ra abuse ai malaini ngana go mama nyo mara da fele jalo ga education aga ba something else so bona re so ngoro bo jona ga history ga education ya o thomile ga wa fele ga ona bele mo kai.
Okay. Like I said, with the primary, the high school, there. So after I did my matric, Komudi high school, I enrolled at the University of Limpopo, doing Bachelor of Sciences in Environmental and Resource Studies. Bachelor of Science in Environmental and Resource Studies. Yeah. I really didn't know what it is, but yeah, I ended up doing that. It was a 3-year degree, and then I did the degree, and then enrolled for my honors in Bachelor of Science honors in Geography. And then I recently just finished my Master of Science in Geography and Environmental Sciences. So yeah, that's all not for now. On my masters.
Masters.
Yes.
Not a degree.
I'm
not
your master of science.
Environmental judge.
So currently I'm working as an environmental assessment practitioner, whereby I do a lot of environmental impact assessments. So what we work with mostly is if there is a development, let me give you an example, they want to build a mall, or they want to build a stadium or something. So Kamahara environment or the environmental laws we have to comply with in South Africa. So only we have got gazetted listed notices. If you're going to do this activity, you need to have environmental license. If you're going to do this activity, you need water use license. So I don't know, dear just because because there's land, I can do anything. No, there are certain things that when you do, you need to make sure you have environmental licenses for them. Because if you don't, then you're gonna get a fine, which normally starts from 5,000 to 10 million.
No.
So yeah, so what we do, we basically assess how this project, what kind of negative impacts is it bringing to the environment, the trees, the portfolio, or even the people Babadulao and more. So we assess that, we do all the reporting for you as a developer, via the department, and if they are fine and happy with our assessments, then we're not Kumana license how develop. So that's what I mostly work with.
Awo musoraro wana ukwala kula ka education. So what estimator so plus or minus or bale ba nyaka go joina le course ya ne ba ra wana re nyaka go sala mo kwape morao footsteps ya mo kwape morao e ke nyaka go di environment. So re no plus or minus 10 20 15 30.
What depend makua. Yeah, public or private sector. So what depend on which company? You can go private sector because there are some people in private sector. But you're doing the very same job or someone in another private company. Salary how you deem. All I can say is there are a lot in the sector environment. But it needs someone who's willing to work hard and put a lot of extra hours, especially if you're going to be in the private sector. Yes. Like a public, you go on, yes.
Wow.
I can't see Faba.
Let's have a normal gombo getting such a that's why we would say like a chele or na it's a manza mavenga machine. I'm not tired. So why is Sungombo? You better than a train up here by Gilans and a Lela Van. Wana mori TikTok, yes, Gwen. Kemukwape udrua Khelobedu kuri Popeye bangwa kuri Popeye bangwa bali bijali animation whatever nagere kuri Popeye ngori bujore di Popeye jira ja Khelobedu Stories udiye ya ini litromile nene ri ya guy lona litromisijwe gini to lo rofela jo krawa na wena musadi ka mkhwano mara ke ga odi ya Popeye ke tshela di voice ja banna ke bega bo mokwape ke bega di stories ja faba lebile guy nga Khelobedu ya ba fa ja bijo le Khelobedu ka le bijo maina manchi ka lore le hlono lore mokwa delicious wa roketa Khelobedu Stories wa ka Khelobedu o di ilena na bua.
Okay, as I said, ke na Khelobedu ene ke rata Khelobedu
from mama manyo
that's all. So when I moved to Joburg, because ben khakoni siZulu and the English yaona ikadore ikashakaji ka. So there's a day moloro I spoke my language Khelobedu and what one say like they asked where are you from? What kind of a language is that? Yeah, no, it was what kind of a language is that? And I felt offended, then I had to now stop speaking Khelobedu when I'm out. I had to try Zulu, English, those two languages. Then when I went to University of Limpopo, there was a certain guy who we were in the same choir. This guy every time when he sees me, he used to say, "Oh no, but I happy." I didn't understand until one day he says, "You know why I like seeing you? When I'm bored or when I've got problems, I come and see you." Why? He's like, "Because Khelobedu ki joke ya mape." Yeah, I felt so offended. I was like, "What are you saying?" He's like, you start laughing. But for me, I took it, it was. Yes.
And I believe a fan of a wobble one, a rator Kilokila, Kilokila. Even like my family, I thought again, I must stop it.
And then I can go on or Kibebe,
Kila Kamava.
So as I started. From that time, I was doing my first year. I was just intentional of going back Khelobedu Molongo, because not joke per se.
Like
because
that don't invest stress.
No, that was not my intention. For me, I was offended because it's my language, it's my tribe. Why? What are you saying? We are a joke? No, we are not. So for me, I felt like no, maybe people don't know about Khelobedu. It was before King Munada became popular and everything. So yes. So it was before King Munada became popular. So I started being intentional to talk Khelobedu. And then as time goes by, I started knowing about YouTube and what. So what I wanted to talk. I wanted to be these influencers on YouTube. I liked them, but I felt like the life that I lived with my family, people can maybe draw some sort of strength from that, and I wanted to, be in that space. I couldn't put myself there. Get the real life issues at that time because not confidence. So I just researched. maybe I could hide my face. Because everywhere there, I felt I was not pretty enough to be in the social media space. Confidence, only makeup, but I wanted to do this. So, but what I started with teaching Khelobedu on my channel, and then I taught Khelobedu. Then with these ones, I once had someone says, when you want people to hear you, make them laugh. And one day, I research animation came in my head. I started exploring that. Until one day, let me create animation. But I felt because I want to put Khelobedu out there as well. Let me do it like Khelobedu because there was no any other person who does that. So I wanted to be different.
You better get the gun and do the research. You better get the cause of our check and followers your so. They chose a shame. Mugwa, Khelobedu Stories. They chose a guys. If I did say, Zamalo on TikTok on the Khelobedu Stories. Let's check out how many followers. And I look fed and label mu follow same time. I grab fit. Let me check. Azari utrenda. So ngomboja wane so link ya gwa Khelobedu. You know about Khelobedu Stories. I know about Khelobedu Stories.
Yeah, Khelobedu_stories on TikTok. But even if you just search Khelobedu Stories, it pops.
You go Khelobedu Stories ba fit. Let's again. Yes. So ngomboja la kaijedi. Rare azela berana mela. Mutry lo ekadi tifel. It's not about university, PhD, whatever judge. It's not about Khelobedu Stories. It's even more. Ora bela sana travel yani ya bugu. Nabe roder kabala di bugu go school. We never thought one day kabala batora dula libona gam kolwa kolwa ba kolwa ngala di bugu from A up to Z. Kaiji waro no the book.
Yes, I did.
Roje ga book.
Can I take it out?
Roje book.
I wrote a book.
Bargini, The Rose of Sharon. Gamfasser again, surviving HIV, grief, and faith. I got faith. And then Mofasi Amwala, the author, Likhowanolo Chwini. Likhowanolo Chwini on the Omo, again, and Ornaulena, woman behind any Khelobedu Stories. So, Kajet, what's a penny?
So, I never really thought I would ever write a book. Okay, so last year I lost my younger sister, Khelobedu Sharon Machete, and after losing her, I found her I was not coping, and I was not coping at all emotionally. I was not well, and then I felt I my therapy. So as I'm going to my therapist, one day my therapist advised her, how about you start when you're not on the sessions, you can start maybe writing how you feel, just relieve, yes, because it was very bad for me.
Keep her inside.
Yes, so I started writing, mostly about how I feel and our relationship with her. Mara one day, something said, Khelobedu lived a very interesting life. Yeah, so half of the book is based on Khelobedu Sharon, my younger sister. That's why we believe the Rose of Sharon. Half of it is mostly focusing on her. And I was like, you know what? The life that she lived and my current situation and our family situations are the things that many people are experiencing out there. And as much as it's a painful, things for us, some of them we manage some of them we're still going through them. I was like, let me heal myself while healing other people. Hence I wrote The Rose of Sharon. It's a 3-part book with part 1 focusing on how we were brought up as a family, the GBV, losing our mom, the siblingship bond that we shared as a family, and then part 2, Khelobedu, she lived with HIV. She was HIV positive and she was an activist, so she spoke openly about that. She helped a lot of people, so many people didn't hear her story. So I was like, now through this book I'm going to be her voice. So I have a lot of HIV content here as well about the stigma, how to disclose, the side effects of HIV, and then the grief and faith are on the last part of the book, where we talk now about the journey before we lost her, what led to her, us losing her, and everything. Now is the grief, the mourning processes and everything. And faith, basically the entire book when you read, the reader's gonna see a lot of how God is always present. It's always there, just that most of the time one of those things. So I'm just here saying to everyone with this book, we have been there. So luena moving on, you are able to can go, all the book that you've been through our family stories. So here it's raw, it's authentic, like real life stories that will heal other people.
Yeah. Awa, na re tlo bala dibuku je di serious jela ja ma page o taba. Maona selo ka tsara buku ga within a week ba feli jo bala wa dorna ba re udieni ka mo like Serbian then ya udieni wa ori if you are going to the similar situation lelo do gra li advice nyana wa gra help wa tsana ko khona di level situation ja wa survive wa tsana le man le bo le hlolo le tshwene wa survive. So which means ya not impossible and bargain li faith ya motho di ene ya nyakega mo di mo pila yona sinna ke le tlolo le train a ke ba tsodi ba. Yes, and then moving forward book ye we ka balwa ke man ibala ke batho ka mo ka ba ina le certain batho ba ka khona wa ibala lona at the same time book ye we ikhumane ya kai.
Okay, like I said, when I was talking about it, it covered a lot of people, right? People that are living in GBV right now, people that are witnessing GBV or still have GBV traumas from past experiences. Okay. Secondly, people that are living with HIV and those that are living with people who are HIV, because remember, we were the support system for Kidiboli, so you need to know how to support people. And it's not only for HIV. I might be talking about HIV, but there are so many illnesses out there that people need support with, that people need encouragement on and comfort. So people like that. So anyone also who has lost a loved one, we lose people, a lot of people. So anyone that has lost and is just struggling in acceptance of the loss that they are, they just suffered. If you read this book, I think from our stories, you'll be able to say, Bona, from Kamuko, I'm going to, also try to push. Because if you don't do that, although we're depressed and we don't want people suffering mental illnesses and stuff, we want people to be able to, as long as you need to move on with life, you need to find things that are going to help you. So I've got advices on how you can do that, what helped me, what helped us as a family. So anyone basically for me can read this book, just anyone. Yes.
So
currently I'm the only one who's selling the book.
Wow.
Yeah, the points but at the moment people can contact me on WhatsApp, on my social media pages. Can I name them?
Feel free if I got so tell you see. If I got so tell you see.
As long as I can read a book, it's fine. Let me show you my full name. It's fine.
All right.
Yes.
WhatsApp.
My number is 067-212-4095. That's my WhatsApp number.
Call it.
And then call also the same number. And then on Facebook, Khosto Lehlogonolo. If you search on Facebook Khosto Lehlogonolo, then that's me. On TikTok, Khelobedu _stories. Khelobedu Stories. Then you can DM me there. I'm also on Instagram. On Instagram is Nolo_2031. I'm there. On YouTube, Success Link.
Oh, Success Link.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
But YouTube ba feel like Success Link le skacha ba ore Success Link na ra o ile Khelobedu Stories ya le Khelobedu Stories ke yona le looking try to ya ke ba try to. And then are so and the Lord Sejana go sister Saraza busy matasata sagere. So re ga level and then so before level going forward from another level respected from when.
So anyway, okay. In terms of content creation, Khelobedu Stories is still there. So I'm going to be creating content because I've seen that people
more content.
I've seen that people enjoy more advices, raw advices. So we're still going to continue in that regard. And on YouTube space, we have Legombo Podcast now. This is what we are going to be. Legombo Podcast. So we are going to be pushing this one. And maybe if I could just say, those that would also want to be on Legombo Podcast, we are talking about anything and everything that's relating to humans. So you can also just DM us on the same things on the same channels that I spoke of. Then, in terms of writing a book, I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but let's see how this one goes.
All right. So then you will on a future guy. You don't know about phone or
So we are also doing a documentary because yes, we are also planning to do documentary around this book. Okay. Yes, more people can look at it towards the end of the year. So we are going to be doing that. And yes, like I say, maybe the book will birth other books, but yeah, it's something that I'm just not sure if
no stress. My last question, ga bookie wa fetu kila ga botsara na bookie ga rona bela re order ka phone ka dinomoro tshela ba le filo tshona o bala romela di message whatever. Gija ga tsaba in 6 months time or in 1 year time, 2 years time, book e re khumana ga re ga spiller phone re nyaka buku. Bangwe re dula call delivery jao phone am share ke taba ja temporary. So mara going forward erking nyaka ke ga phone re khumana ka ga di shoponi online what's going to happen?
No, that's the plan. Or a reason to online. You know, would you take a lot? You know, would you bookstore, bookshops. So we are working towards that. So for now, people just call and then we courier. So there's a cost for the book, which it goes for 300 after 31 Jamaica is very cheap. 300 and then plus the courier costs. Then we'll talk about the courier costs.
Out of that, now I feel to go very again. I know snag na big jail. The second one, 300 as challenge to baga transfer. No bela kana baga jail. This one I'm keeping this one. Minaga obagabala le na give motivated in community advice. It's na from Lukombo ngada ka friend jabali bile be successful Lukombo. Like tsare bena ke ba fit. The level na le kana ba le phone na mara in future do come everywhere. More shop on mabari Saudi Google library ka mo ka everywhere to bali kuma le mo online. Bushare bile batoko jaba idea le ga phone. The document lo krokona lo download wa bali la mo phone ga technology improving agree. So what Khelobedu Stories ga mo kana bla ga salute. Re followers ga mo ga Khelobedu Stories jalo kombo podcast zamalo re ga bugewe mo phone le rege book nderdine re bonche support agree batsois. So sister, thank you very much for rebelo ena. And then le webio le rukubija da ukigidri ma robela ga mtsala rukubija lin o da ukigidri ma again. Except from nalo kombo la town ni gere fit to second episode ya borna fella na mo gere danko badaga bada ba fit to salute.
Thank you.